Dear children, let's start as zoology, reproduction in organism. Chapter outline: modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Modes of reproduction, different categories: protein synthesis, DNA replication, cell division, growth. These are all in modes of reproduction. Asexual, different types. Sexual reproduction, two different gametes. Introduction. Living organisms show a life cycle involving birth, growth, development, maturation, reproduction and death. This is a biological process. Reproduction is a biological process. The young ones grow and mature to repeat the process. What are the results? The reproduction result in continuation of species and introduces variation in organisms. Essential for adaptation and evolution, that is main point. Adaptation and evolution. The living thing surrounding the environment that places our adaptation and development is very important. Modes of reproduction. So what are the types? Synthesis of RNA, protein, replication of DNA, cell division, growth. So these are all in main point for reproductions. Organisms exist in two major groups, in asexual and sexual reproduction. What are the types, modes of reproduction? Synthesis of RNA, protein, replication of DNA, cell division and growth. Yes. Okay, next slide. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis, important role in for reproduction in organism. This picture, look at the green colors or RNA polymerase. This is enzyme, RNA, ribonucleic acid, and second stand mRNA, it is messenger RNA, and third one translation, ribosome, and finally the polypeptide chains. These are all in amino acids are present in the protein synthesis. Okay, next one. DNA replication. DNA deoxynucleic acid. The picture you understand. First DNA polymerase, then the central point, primase, helicase, these are all in enzymes. Topoisomerase also. These are all in enzymes. What are the enzymes? DNA polymerase, primase, chelicase and topoisomerase. Okay. Then logging stand, below leading stand. The leading stand, the copies of DNA very fast. The logging stand slowly copy the DNA. Okay, next. Cell division. Your lower classes, you study the part already. Cell divisions is important role in for reproduction. These are all in cell division phases. G2 of the interphase, anaphase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are all in cell division phases. Okay, next one. Protein. Protein is a building block of body. Protein very important role in for human growth or animal growth or living organisms. Growth important role in proteins. Protein bound in or different categories. Food, nuts or etc. Protein main function, the fight infections. ஏதாவது ஒரு இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் நமக்கு தொற்று ஏற்பட்டால் உடனே நம்மளோட இம்யூன் பவரை அதிகரித்து அந்த ஃபைட் நம்மளே அந்த இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் நம்மளை வந்து தாக்காமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். தென் ஹெல்ப் செல் டிவைட். ஸோ மெயின் பார்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ரோட்டீன் த செல் டிவைட் ஆகிறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Growth. So every living organism, a small birth to an adult stage, you continue the growth. So first picture, a small look like a dog, small, and second one medium, third one medium, and fourth one normal, and fifth one it is adult stage. That is called growth. Next one, reproduction. What is called reproduction? When two parents participate involving the reproductive two type of gametes, ova and sperm. The female gamete ova, the male gamete sperm. Next one. This is the picture reproduction. The first one male, second one female. The male produces sperm, the female produces egg. The sperm and egg fuse, then fertilization start, then another stage, the cell division, then finally baby will ready. Okay, next one. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in common members, three types: protista, bacteria, archaea, and in multicellular. Once again I repeat, what are they? Protista, bacteria, archaea. These are all in microscopic organisms. இந்த அனிமல்லாம் நீங்கள் கண்ணால் பார்க்க முடியாது, மைக்ரோஸ்கோப் வச்சு தான் பார்க்க முடியும். Next one. Different methods of reproduction. Take your classwork note, write them. Your classwork note, write neatly, write fast. Different methods of asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction without involvement of gamete, single individual, progeny morphologically, genetically identical. Sexual reproduction with the involvement of gametes. One or two parents differ from each other. The asexual reproduction, many single organisms are participate. Binary fission, amoeba, what are they? Budding, zoobos, conidia, gemule. Okay, finish the different methods of reproduction. Okay, next one. Protista kingdom. First one, paramecium. Then second one, irregular shape of amoeba. Euglena, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. These are all single cell organisms. Simple organization. Bacteria. Look at the picture. This is bacteria, Escherichia coli. This is beneficial bacteria. DNA, the genetic material. Flagella, கசை இலை. மனித உடலில் வாழக்கூடிய ஒரு மனித உடலில் சிறுகுடலில் வசிக்கக்கூடிய ஹியூமன் இன்டெஸ்டைன். பாக்டீரியா, எசெர்சியா கோலை. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Fission. Fission is the division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individuals. What is called fission? Division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individual. Okay, next one. Fission types. Binary fission, multiple fission, plasmatomy, sterilization and sporulation. What are the types? Tell me. Binary fission, multiple fission, plasmatomy, sterilization and sporulation. Okay, next one. This picture is bacteria division. It is called binary fission. Bi means two. So single organism divided into two daughter individual. Next one. Binary fission. This is amoeba. This is irregular shape of amoeba. Single cell organism. Microscopic. Look at the picture. The first one, the parent cell. Then second, divided the cell division. The middle part is divided. The third one, the new daughter cells are produced. Next one. Multiple fission. Multiple fission. What is called multiple fission? A single cell multiply in 2 or 3, 4. There are many cells. That is called multiple fission. So look at the picture. The outer layer for cyst, protective wall. The inner side cell. Then center the cytoplasm. The center point is nucleus. The second picture you observe many daughter cells produced by multiple fission. So finally the daughter cells released. This example of Plasmodium. Okay, next one. Microscopic picture. Vorticella. This is microscopic animal, aquatic in moisture place. Okay, next one. Transverse binary fission. This is paramecium. Look like a slipper shape and cilia is outer side presents. The first picture you see, the outer layer of the cilia is present. The first picture, you have two nucleus. One is macronucleus, second one micronucleus. Macro means the big size, micro means small size. The second picture, the macronucleus and micronucleus dividing. Micronucleus dividing the mitotically. Macronucleus dividing amitotically. Amitotically, this is direct cell division, and mitotically indirect cell division. Then second picture, your upper side oral groove disappearing. Third picture, below the new oral groove forming. The upper side new oral groove forming. The fourth picture, new contractile vacuoles are present. Finally, the fifth one, the daughter paramecia is produced. Okay, next one. Longitudinal binary fission in Euglena. Two type of division, amitotic and mitotic, and two type of nucleus, macronucleus and micronucleus. Is the first feature, the chromosomes, the second one nucleoli, and third one nucleus. So second picture B, chromatid and nuclear body. The chromatid is a chromosome, it is a genetic material. Third picture you see, observe, and fourth one D, the upper side, the longitudinal barrow and nuclear constriction. Then finally the daughter Euglena. The two daughter Euglena is present finally. Okay, next one. Multiple fission in encysted amoeba. Basically amoeba is a irregular shape. Look at the picture. The first, the parent cell. The second picture, nucleus dividers. Third picture, the cytoplasm dividers. And fourth one, the two daughter cells are produced. In multiple fission is very important for this chapter. Next one. Stereobilation in Aurelia. Look at the picture. Stereobilation in Aurelia. The page number, book page number 4. The first one, the young Sterobila. The upper side is tentacles are present. The second one, adult Sterobila. Young Sterobila and adult Sterobila. Between adhesive disc. Adhesive, ஒட்டும் தன்மை. Then adult Sterobila, the first part stolon, and second the stalk, and tentacles, mouth, mandibrum. The third picture, the mouth. Then the fourth one, yearly epiphyra. Is important role in for sense organ. The sense, unarum tanmai. This pictures is very important. You clearly observe. What is called as sterobilation? A special type of transverse fission is called sterobilation. Okay, next one. Once again, I repeat all the points. Take the book, page number 1. What is called reproduction and modes of reproduction? What are the modes of reproduction? Yes, protein synthesis, protein, DNA replication, growth, cell division. These are all in modes of reproduction. Then sexual reproduction and different type of reproduction. Then binary fission, multiple fission, plasmotomy, sterobilation and sporulation. And simple irregular shape of amoeba, transverse binary fission, in paramecium, and longitudinal binary fission, and longitudinal binary fission in Euglena. These are all important for this reproduction in organisms. Some microscopic animal, protista, bacteria. Are you understand? Yes. Now, short answer. Define asexual reproduction. Take the class-up note. Write the short answers. You make the answers from book. What is called sexual reproduction? Which type of reproduction is effective? Asexual or sexual, and why? Differentiate between in the following: binary fission in amoeba and multiple fission in plasmodium. Regeneration in planaria. Next one. Fill in the blanks. In which mode of reproduction various are seen in dash dash? Assertion and reasoning question. Assertion: in bee society, all the members are deployed except drones. Reason: drones are produced by parthenogenesis. In lower classes, you study the bee, that is honey bee. What are the types? Queen, drone, worker. Drone bee is a male, queen bee female, and worker. Third one, reproduction is the fundamental feature of all dash. And fourth one, it is a biological process by which organisms produce their dash. In dash, the nucleus and the cytoplasm divide us in the dash axis of the organism. You make the fill-ups. from book. Your classic note is very neat. Handed should be neat. And homework. Take your book, page number 2. Simple irregular binary fission in amoeba. Draw the diagram. Pencil use. Simple irregular binary fission in amoeba. The second homework, book page number 2, transverse binary fission in paramecium. Okay. Okay students, tomorrow I will continue the class.